The National Treasury is now placing the blame for failure to disburse up to 2.5 billion shillings worth of county funds in the financial year 2018-2019 on the devolved governments. Treasury says in a statement that 1 billion shillings earmarked for the development of youth polytechnics is still withheld by the Exchequer due to failure by some of the counties to adhere to the requirements of conditional allocation. Additionally, 600 million shillings designated for the construction of county headquarters is still with the National Treasury, as well as 845 million shillings of allocation from the Road Maintenance Levy Fund. This comes at a time when operations at the counties are constrained by the stalemate over the division of revenue bill.